Pteridophytes. The pteridophytes include horsetails and ferns. Pteridophytes are used for medicinal purposes and as soil blinders. They are also frequently grow as ornaments. Evolutionarily, they are the first terrestrial plants of possesses vascular tissue, xylem and phloem. You shall study more about this tissue in chapter 6. The pteridophytes are found in cool, damp, shady places, though some may flourish well in sandy soil conditions. You may recall that in bryophytes, the dominant phase in the life cycle is the gametophytic plant body. However, in pteridophytes, the main plant body is the sporophyte, which is differentiated into two roots, stem, and leaves. These organs possesses well differentiated vascular tissues. The leaves in pteridophyta are small microphyls, and in Senigenelia or large microphytes as in ferns. The sporophyte bears sporangia that are subtended by leaf-like appendages called sporophytes. In some cases, sporophytes may form distinct compartment structure called strobili or cones. Senigenelia inquisitum. The sporangia produce spores by meiosis in spore mother cell. The spore germinate to give rise to inconspicuous, small but multicellular, free-living, mostly photosynthetic thalloid gametophytes called prothallus. These gametophytes require cool, damp, shady places grow because of this specific restricted requirement and the need for water for fertilization. The spread of living pteridophytes is limited and restricted to narrow geographical regions. The gametophytes bear messy and female sex organs called antheridia and archegonia. Respective water is required for transport of anthrozoids. The male gametes released from the antheridia to the mouth of archegonium. Fusion of male gamete with the egg present in the archegonium result in the formation of zygote. Zygote thereafter produces multicellular well differentiated sporophytes, which is dominant phase of the pteridophytes. In majority of the pteridophytes, all the spores are of similar kind. Such plants are called homosporous. Genera like Senigenelia, Slavanella, which produce two kinds of spore, macro and micro spores, are known as heterosporous. The megaspores and microspores germinate and rise to female and the male gametophytes respectively. The female gametophytes in these plants are detained on the parent sporophyte for variable periods. The development of the zygotes into young embryo takes place within the female gametophytes. This event is the precursor to the seed habit, considered an important step in evolution. The pteridophytes are further classified into four classes: Psilophilo, Lycosporia, Sphenophysidae, Pteridophysidae.